Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see about Python idle or Python interpreter. So what is Python interpreter and how it is useful for us while we are developing the code. So shall we start now? Okay, so first Python interpreter is idle. This is what Python interpreter is. I hope you watched the previous video of how to install Visual Studio 2017 and Python. So if not, please stop this video, go and watch that, install Visual Studio 2017 along with Python and then come back to this video. Okay, so this is Python shell. So here we can see what is the version and what is the release date. So this is the latest up to date. So this is interactive, that means it is waiting for us to give the input, and this works under the principle of REPL, that means read, evaluate, print and loop. So it will read the input that you are giving, it will evaluate it whether it is correct or not. If not, it will give the error, and then it will print the output if it is correct, and again it will loop, that means it will again go to read. For example, if I give 2 plus 2, so as soon as I hit enter, it reads this 2 plus 2 and evaluate that it is two numbers that I need to add it, and after adding it prints the output. Again it goes to the loop, then again it is asking for, it comes reading mode, it's asking for us to give the input. So if I give 20 plus 30, 20 star 30, 2 star 4 is 2 to the power of 4, 4 star 5 star 6. So any calculations we can do, even divisions. S is equals to welcome to the Python session. So but here if you see, for all the previous commands you get the output, but here you don't get the output. So but anyway we have a side effect for this, that is a variable s is created and it is assigned with this string welcome to the Python session, and if I give yes, it will give me the output. So this thing you need to, so bear in mind that all inputs won't give the output, because since we see print here, it is not that it will always print the output. Okay, and one more thing you need to know is, after this you can just pull this down and use it. And one more thing, underscore symbol is used to get the last output. If suppose I am doing one big calculation, 20 star 8 star 999 star 888 star 777, so see how big it is. If I want to do one more calculation with this output, then what I have to do actually is, I want to put all those numbers 1103, then I want to do multiplication. Instead of that, we can put star plus 10. So it will just take the output of last executed and it will just add 10 to it. So by this way we can reduce the human work of last output. And after this output, if you give any declaration things, it won't take that as underscore. Last output only it will take it as underscore. If suppose set s is equals to 1, if I give out underscore, it won't consider any s or 1, it will take the last output of it. Okay, and one more thing after this you need to know is, not all the commands will be executed in the program. If suppose for here for 202 you will get the output as 4. The same thing if I create a new file and add 2 plus 2 here, I am saving it with test3, and if I run this, you won't get the output. The same output if I give here, oops, you will get the output. If you want to get the output from there, you got to do print. If I run this now, you will get the output. So these things you need to keep in mind, that or not all the commands will be executed in the program. And the main use of the shell itself is, we can do some experimentation here while doing some code. you want to check whether this logic will work or not. In that case, you can bring that logic alone into this interpreter and it will give you the output. Based on that, you can confirm that that piece of code will work or not. Also, when you are going for a review, you can see that someone wrote that code, but you doubt that whether it will work for the particular case that you want to test or you want to check. In that case, you can bring those piece of code alone here, do some modification according to your requirement, and you can get the output. So by that way, this will be useful to us. And next thing you need to know is, we no need to come to this interpreter again and again. So this is the last time we are going to see this interpreter. Other way of getting this interpreter is via this Visual Studio 2017 itself. So I think in the last video I told how to install this, and also we opened one project. So let's open that project now here. It's ready. I'm just opening my project. Visual Application 2. Yeah, we got it. This is okay. This is the Hello World program. So we know last video I told how to run it in the Python interactive. So actually this is the interactive. So you can do the same commands here. We don't need to go there and we have to run it. We can do the same thing here also and it will work. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please share it with your friends, and if you have any doubts, please add it in the comment section. I will help you out. We will see you in the next session. Thanks.